Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the details about the C tokens available in the C language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic C tokens available in the C language. In a passage of text, individual words and punctuation mark are called a tokens. Similarly, in C program, the smallest individual units are known as a C tokens. So in order to frame the text and individual word punctuation, they are called a token. Similarly, the C language also having the smallest individual units of tokens are available. C has 6 types of tokens are given below. There are 6 types of tokens available in a C language. A C program written using this token and the syntax of the language. So the C programming, while writing the C programming, we are using these tokens, and also the remainings are based on the syntax of the language. Now we'll see these tokens one by one. So there are 6 tokens available. We'll see this one by one. The first one is the keywords. Keywords mean these keywords cannot be used for other purpose. It is having the particular meaning. For example, float while, right? It's having the particular meaning. So while writing the program, we have to follow the syntax. We cannot use these words for our general purpose programming, right? These wording having the specific meaning that can be used for that meaning alone, cannot be used for other purpose. That's called a keywords. So there are some more keywords available. We'll see later. So the example is float and while. Then constant, the constant number, minus 15.5, 100. So these are all called constant. Then string. The string means it is a wordings, A, B, C, year or name of the student, like that. These are all called coming under strings. Then operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are all the coming under operators. Then identifiers, main, amount, the main program, amount, these are all coming under identifier, having the specific meaning. Main means main program. Amount means the amount, what we are going to enter. Then special symbols, opening and closing square bracket, opening and closing braces. These special characters are also available. So only few examples are given. We'll see these tokens in detail one by one, right? So what we have: keyword, constant, string, operators, identifiers, and special symbols. First we will see these keywords and identifiers. In detail, we will see what is meant by the keywords and identifiers. So every C word is classified as either keyword or a identifier, right? The word is classified as either keyword or identifier. There's a keyword having fixed meaning, and this meaning cannot be changed. We cannot use it for any other purpose. That's why it is called a keyword, having the fixed meaning, right? Cannot be changed. Keyword served as a basic building block for the program statement. It having the particular meaning and is served as a basic building blocks while writing the C program. All keyword must be written in lower case. It should be written in a lower case, right? So I will see these keywords one by one. What are the keywords? Auto, break. So having the meaning itself. Auto means it's automatic. Break means it will break the statement. Case, character, continue, constant. Then default, do, double, else, enum, extend, float, for, go to, if, integer, long, register, return, short, signed, sign off, static, structure, switch, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, while. So these are all the keywords available in the C program. Every keyword having the specific meaning. The name itself, it will give the meaning. The meaning cannot be changed. We cannot use it for any other purpose. For example, signed means it is a signed integer or signed character. Another thing what we have, unsigned. So we are not bothered about sign. Here we are bothered about the sign, whether it is positive or negative. Unsigned means not bothered about the sign. Similarly, float, one type of variable, data, one type of data type. Do. Do means we are asked to do the following statement. Do. Break. Break means it will break the statement. So like this we have the keywords and identifiers are available. Now we'll go to the next subdivision. So we discuss about the keywords. Now it is the identifier. Identifier refers to the name of the variable, function and array. So the identifier means, so while using the variable, function or array, we have to give the name. That is called a identifier. The rules for the identifier is the first character must be an alphabet or underscore, right? Alphabet should be used. You contain number, letter or underscore, but in that the first digit should be a alphabet, right? So it may contain the only letters, digit and underscore. Among these, the letter should be available as a first character. Only first 31 characters are significant. So while giving the name of the variable or function or array, the first 31 characters are taken into account. Thereafter, it will not taken into account. Cannot use a keyword. What we discussed earlier, the keywords, we cannot use it for giving the name of the variable, function or array. Must not contain the white space. White space means it is a blank space, carriage written, tab. These things should not be used as a identifier, right? So the keywords having particular meaning. Identifier means the name of the variable, function or array. We are going to give the name. In that we are following certain rules. It contains letter, digit and underscore. In that the first character should be a letter. 31 characters are taken into account. It cannot use the keyword what we discussed earlier. It should not contain the white space, right? So we discuss about the keyword and identifier. Now we'll go to the next section, constants. What are the details available in the constant, we'll see. Constant in a C refers to the fixed value that do not change during the execution of a program, right? The name itself, constant, means it will be constant. It will not change during the program. The first one is the integer constant. Integer means whole number. 123 minus 321 0 6231 18. These are all the constant coming under the integer constant. Real constant means the decimal points available. 0.0083 minus 0.75 247.18. These are all called the real constant. Then character constant, single character constant, 5xa. The 5 is the number, so we can take it as a character also. Number mean it can be used for during the arithmetic operation. Character mean cannot be used. So this 5 here is treated as a character. By single quotes, it is referred as a character. 5xa dot. These are all coming under characters. Then string constant. More than one character is called a string. String constant. Hello, good. 5 plus 3 given with double quotes. So this is 5 plus 3 is not a 8. 5 plus 3 is taken as a character string. Single quotes mean single character. Double quotes mean character. String of characters. Right. So apart from that, what we have the remaining is the backslash and character constant. So C supports some special backslash character constant that can be used in the output function. /n. /n means new line. Similarly, we have /t. /t means a tab. Like that, there are so many backslash characters are available, right? So that will give a specific meaning. The example is /n means new line, /t means the tab. It will provide the tab, right? So here we discuss the constant, integer constant, real constant, single character constant, string constant and backslash character constant. Then we'll have the variables. This constant means the value will not change entire program. Variable means the opposite. It is a variable. During the program, based on the statement, its value may be changed. That's why it's called a variable. Value may be varied. A variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value, right? The variable is a data name. In that name, the data value is stored. So the sum is the variable name. Average, mark, these are all the variable name. In that sum, we can store any value, 100 or 200. It also a changed one, depends upon the statement what we are executing. The value stored in the sum can be varied. Similarly, average and mark. So in this video, we discuss about the C tokens. There are 6 type of C tokens. We will discuss in a detail. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.